Okay, so the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of this red or yellow iron oxide. This is Graham paint. This is what I use when I'm using a more expensive paint. Now, with this technique, you don't really need to use that more expensive paint. You could use something else. Like Golden Straw, Americana, something that's kind of a yellow ochre in the craft paint. But you just have to make sure that you are really thinning your paint down. So I'm using a very large brush. It's about an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch wide. And then I'm just going to really thin this down so that it's just a glaze. So this is just a glaze over top of what I'm doing. And it's going to be kind of streaky because we have that paper on there, and the paper is going to be soaking it up a lot, but that's okay because we're mostly going to paint over this. It's just the nice thing about glazes is that it kind of antiques it or makes it look older looking. Be careful around your lines. Some of my lines are smearing a little bit, so you just need to maybe even do a little test spot to see what's going to happen with your lines depending on what you used. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, and then we're going to move on to the next phase. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and start laying in some of these backgrounds. I'm using Americana Bahama Blue. You can use any color that you have that's convenient for you or that you really like. And I'm just going to go in, and I'm not going to go all the way to the border. I'm not going all the way up to where the black is. I'm just filling in these little these little shapes that I've made for myself. And I'm using a number 6 round brush. If you lift up, it's going to make smaller details, and if you push down, it's going to fill in more space. So just keep that in mind with these round brushes.
And take a little piece of me, oh, just a little piece of me, to make me believe in the light you think you see. 'Cause I can't belong if you won't hold on to me, and I am afraid that I might not be enough for you. For you. So don't walk away. Oh, don't walk away. Walk away. And take a little piece of me, but you can't have all of me, 'cause I don't want you to leave, and I don't want to change. Oh, I just want to entertain the idea of you, and I am afraid that I might So don't walk away. Oh, don't walk away. Walk away.
Walk away.
Walk away.
Walk away. Walk away.
You walk away.
Walk away.
Walk.
Walk away.
And take a little piece of me. Have all you like, just as long as you want me. I believed the lies for so long. The truth's just a secret they keep from the lonely. And I am afraid that I might not be enough. Oh, I am afraid that I might not be enough for you. Oh, for you. So don't walk away. So don't walk away. Oh, don't, no, don't walk away. Oh, don't walk away. Walk away.